Hey y'all, I'm Katie Bryan from the Richlands FFA chapter, located in eastern North Carolina. And this is my great-grandfather's 1950 John Deere Model A tractor. This tractor was used to farm this very land almost 75 years ago. I wanted to give this tractor another shot at life, and this is how I've done it.
In my mind, I'm gone to Carolina. Can't you see the sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? And ain't it just like a friend of mine to hit me from behind? Guess I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. Karen, she's a silver sun. You best walk her away and watch it shining. Watch her watch the morning come. A silver tear appearing now. I'm crying, ain't I? I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. There ain't no doubt in no one's mind that love's the finest thing around. Whisper something soft and kind. And hey babe, the sky's on fire. I'm dying, ain't I? I'm gone to Carolina in my mind. sunshine? Can't you just feel the moonshine? Ain't it just like